In this video, I will show you how to change your NotebookLM settings to make your notebooks public for everyone to see. I'm starting here on the main dashboard where I can view various featured notebooks and my own recent work. I'll scroll down to the Recent Notebook section and click on the notebook titled Google NotebookLM, the AI Research Assistant and Knowledge Hub to open it. To share this research, I'll navigate to the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. A dialog box appears, showing that the notebook access is currently set to restricted. I'll click that drop-down menu and select the public option. This setting is important because it allows anyone to discover my notebook on NotebookLM and across the web. Before I finish, I'll click on the copy link button to get a direct URL for the chat view, and then I'll hit the Save button to confirm the new settings. At the bottom of the screen, a notification appears confirming that the notebook was shared successfully. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.